If you notice that there is a spelling error or there's some wording that you would like to change, etc., you would click onto your ticker. You'll see the right hand side of the screen is going to show Modify Wizard, not Create Wizard. Click onto Modify, and then you can change whichever step it is that you would like to change. We're wanting to change the text. We want to take out the quick part and just put this is to illustrate how simple it is to set up a ticker. Once I've made the changes that are required, I click on Apply and OK. The change is going to be put onto the left-hand side.